never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another Vlogmas. Yes, I'm behind the wheel today. Yeah. You see, yeah, just me today in the driver's seat. I'm actually on my way to meet Outlaw now. Got to run a few errands. He actually went to work today. As some of you know, some days he drives a school bus, like a private school bus, brings the kids to school. But I'm meeting him in OG this morning. Gonna go to the bank. Guys, wish me luck, please. Pray for me as I go to the bank that, you know, it's not an all-day affair. Hopefully I can just go in and out, do what I have to do. So yeah, I'm just nothing special today, running a few errands here, there and everywhere. Yeah, so I will see you guys in a few. Traffic, heading in towards Ocherius. It's 9:40 in the morning. What time do people start work? Do people start work 9 o'clock again? 9:40. I expect the road to be clear, but no, there's traffic going into Ochi. But it's moving. At least it's moving. Yeah. Alright, look guys, look at this. Welcome to Jamrock. Look at this taxi gonna go on the wrong side of the road. Well, not a taxi, a Probox. Drive all the way down the wrong side of the road just because of the traffic. That's why we have so many accidents in Jamaica, guys. Oh man. Yes guys, so look who I've met, look who I'm with. We in the bank. Say something to the people then. Take off your mask.
Thanks for that.
Yes guys, we're in the bank. We got through really quickly, innit? Guys, we got through quickly. Yeah. Alright people, I'm back home. It's time to cook. So today I'm doing stew peas. Yeah, stew peas today. Yes. So peas is boiling. So I like to boil the peas a bit first before I put the meat in. So we're using smoked turkey neck. That's what we usually use. I know some people put everything in together, and that's fine. And I know a lot of people use a pressure cooker. And I know a lot of people use a pressure cooker. I don't have a pressure cooker. I've actually never used one. Yeah, so I'm just doing it the good old fashioned way. So peas is bubbling. And once that's been on for a little while, then I'm going to add all the other bits and pieces. Yeah. So I've got 1 pound of turkey neck, smoked turkey neck actually. You know, that's one Outlaw likes. It's got to be the smoked turkey neck. So I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to take off all these little bits, clean them up. Yeah. Clean them up and then they'll be ready to go in the pot once they're cleaned up. So yes people, clean the meat up. It's all ready. And then I've got my other bits and pieces: scallion, thyme, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, hot pepper, garlic, pimento, and then of course little black pepper, you know, salt, all-purpose seasoning to go in as well. But guys, guess what now? I've just realised I haven't got any coconut. I don't have no coconut milk. I don't have no coconut powder. I don't have the card today to quickly run to the shop, to drive to the shop to get any. And I'm not about to walk to the shop in this sun hot because I can't manage that. The only coconut I have is, guys, this is the only coconut that there is. Look, the dry coconut on the tree. Look, this is the only coconut. Guys, I've never ever hucked coconut in my life. You usually see Outlaw doing this. I've never done this before. I don't think now is the time for me to do it. What do you think? Could give it a try, but that's the only coconut I've got, guys, to go in my stew peas. Man. No, I'm not even going to attempt it, guys. I'm going to have to wait until Outlaw. Well, I'm going to have to call Outlaw and tell him to bring some coconut powder or some coconut milk, because I can't be hucking coconut. I've never done it. Today's not the day to try it out for the first time, especially without him. I don't even know how to use a mash yet. Like, anyway, guys. Alright, so the peas have been boiling for a little while. They're kind of halfway soft, which is kind of how I want them. So I'm going to add in the smoked turkey neck to it. So by the time everything boils up and turkey neck is kind of nearly done, the rest of the peas will be soft. So I'm going to turn up the fire, make that bubble up for a good while. I'm going to come back in about half an hour and check it and see what it's going on with. And once it's good to go, I'm going to add all the other little bits and pieces, the scallion, the onion, the garlic, all the rest of that. The spinners, of course, coconut milk when Outlaw brings it for me. Yeah. Look who's home, guys. Look who's home. What's up? Why? Oh, did you? Come here, because I told the people on the vlog. Come.
Oh.
Pass it then. Yes. So guys, look, he's still got the bus, yeah? He hasn't even picked up his car. No. So I told him to get the coconuts up for me. So you went straight and got it and bring it home?
Yeah, we'll drop off somebody right here.
Okay.
We'll pick up and drop it off.
Yeah.
But then I'll go back and park the bus.
Yeah.
And pick up a car.
Uh-huh.
Then I'm supposed to very close. Very close. If it's not finished, so close.
Yeah.
Like a shave.
So he's got to go back and park up the bus now, thank you. And go and pick up the car.
Yes.
I wasn't expecting that though. I wasn't expecting that. So guys, I'm going to put the spinners in. So pot is bubbling up. I better hurry up and do this before Outlaw comes back. So I'm going to put some little spinners in the pot. Yep. Alright, so the spinners are in there. I'm going to put in my coconut milk now. Put my coconut milk in. Coconut milk. And I'm going to put my fresh seasonings in and make everything bubble up. Alright, I've got the fresh seasonings in there now. I've got the thyme, scallion, Scotch bonnet, pimento, garlic, onion, and little black pepper, little salt, little all-purpose. So yeah, I'm just gonna make that bubble up now. Alright guys, food done. I'm about to eat. Outlaw says he can't eat yet because food just finished cook and he doesn't like hot food.
Food hot.
What do you say?
Food hot the people.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I've been over or nothing.
I eat the food as it finished cook. I like to eat. I like hot food.
Some people like
yeah, I like hot food, so I'm gonna eat now. But Outlaw doesn't.
Yes,
you don't like hot food.
It's too hot for me right now. Man, for us. Make it cool a little bit and then we'll have it. That's what we think, man. We never drop it. And she had to swap it.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.